Hello YouTube. If you are facing this error, which is like the compileSdk and the targetSdk are not matching with your Android core version. So for this one, it's quite straightforward. Like you can see, like there are some dependencies, which is like the Android activity. The version is 1.11.0 in my case, and they say this version is not compatible with our current compiled and target SDK version is not compatible with this dependency. You can see more options. In my case, I have like core 1.17.0, and this one is also not compatible with my current uh, compile SDK version. And currently I'm using the 35 Android 35 for my compile and the target SDK. So they is actually recommended me to use a 36 for the compile SDK. So you just need to read the error message and everything. The solution is even in your error message. So what you need to do is just to go to your build.gradle.ktx and just update your target SDK and compile SDK to the recommended version. For in my case they are recommending 36, in your case it might be different, so you just follow whatever is there and just sync your project. Once it's successful, just try to run application if it's running fine, or if there is any issue with your current SDK version and target SDK version. So for no issue, it's built successful and is trying to launch on the device. So this is the simple solution. You just need to follow up with your error message and that's it.